Hey guys, it's me again. So today I have the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So it took me about like 2 days to figure out this finger trick. So I could do it under 20, but I'm gonna show you which finger trick it is. It's the R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So here's how you do it. Ta-da! So yeah, now I am going to time myself doing this finger trick, and like I said, I could do it under 20, but let's see if I could get something even better. All right, I'm gonna time myself. Wow, 16 seconds. Well, not bad. So yeah, I could do this under 20 seconds. So if you guys wanna learn finger tricks, I highly recommend YouTube being the best source to learn finger tricks, and time yourself also. That's how you get better with speed cubing. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video entertaining, and I hope you guys stay safe, and God bless you. Farewell.